Well, hey there, and welcome to Create Social. Excited that you're using the tool. Everything I've built with this is to hopefully make your life a little bit easier and help you get your expertise out there, or the things that you have inside your head and inside your heart out there to the world, and that it helps benefit you and your business. The Ideation Lab is where you are creating your ideas for content. A big problem I notice when people go to create content is that they don't really prepare enough ahead of time. You get into talking and you kind of have a rough idea of what you want to say, but then it takes way longer than it needs to because you can't put the words together perfectly in the moment to say what you want to say. The Ideation Lab's job is to make it so that this never happens anymore. It makes content creation efficient while still allowing you to be as creative as you want to be, as creative as possible, but you're now able to say exactly what you want to say and not feel like you missed something in that piece. So in this, what you can do is you can create your own piece of content, or you can create your own idea right here. So you can just write in a title, a hook, talking points. You can add talking points, call to action. You can change over to script mode if you want to add specific script sections versus the talking points, and then you can change the duration of how long you want this to be. You can also add any style notes if there's anything else you want yourself to remember. Or you can click on generate ideas, and this will use all of the knowledge-based context in order to create ideas that are targeted towards exactly who you are and what you want to create and what your goals are. So you can tap on full script or talking points once again. If you tap on full script, it's going to give you something word for word that you can use, or if you tap on talking points, it's going to give you things to riff off of. You can also tell us what this idea should be about. So if you want this, if you're, say, a fitness coach and you want this idea to be targeted towards something like protein myths, like it says right here, then you can type that in and it'll use that and create a script. It'll create a script or a talking points based content idea based around that, while interweaving everything else we know about you from your knowledge base still. In this case, I'm going to use full script and I'm going to go short. The difference between these durations, which you can switch between, are basically quick is going to be anywhere 15 to 30 seconds. Short is 30 to 60 seconds. Then you have 1 to 2 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, 10 plus minutes, so that you can create scripts and generate scripts that are covering all different lengths rather than just say really short or really long. So in this case, let's do short and let's just tap generate idea. You can see the idea we just generated right here. The title is Why Content Creators Always Quit. And then if I tap on it, as you can see, it says tap to view full idea and edit. If we tap on it, we can see the full script right here. So that's the title, and then the hook is the average content creator quits after 73 days, and it's not because they ran out of ideas. If I like that, I can approve it right now. If I really don't like that, I can delete it. Or if I want to edit some things and make it a little bit more targeted towards me, I can just come right here and quickly edit it and save my changes here. If I really like this idea and I want to keep seeing more ideas like this, I can give it a thumbs up. If I don't like this idea and it really doesn't match my voice, before just deleting it, you can give it a thumbs down and then tell us exactly why it doesn't work, so that'll be factored back in the next time we generate ideas for future reference. So you can say it's not relevant to your niche, it's too generic, you already covered this, it's the wrong tone, it's not interesting, or it's too complex. There's all these different options so that we really can dial it in over time as you generate more and more ideas. In this case, I'm going to actually just approve this, and what will happen now is you'll see that approved went from 7 to 8. If I go over to my approved, I can see all the ideas that I've approved prior. If I want, I can remove any of these ideas and that'll push them back to for review if I want to edit them again. Or if I want to delete them, I can do that here too. Once an idea is approved, what that really means is that you'll see it whenever you go into your recording studio next. Whenever you're in your recording studio, all your approved ideas will be on the side, which you'll see once we go into there.